Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the Trading123 trading bot here, trading the NQ. Another volatile day in the market, some quick price action. So you got to make sure you have your stops in place. And so here's our first trade of the day. We like to set out the market first 15 minutes. So we started the AutoTrader here. And it was trending up, then a trend reversal. It goes down here, gets some profit. And the third runner catches, pretty much just like yesterday, 90% of the trade. And then we get a short here into some chop, and we get stopped, and then another short. And so we're halfway to our goal or more, and the trend was down, so it only took shorts. And another short here, and we hit our goal, 781, for a nice quick profit to start the day. So here's the strategy performance for the trade. Make that a little smaller so you can see it. So total net profit 781, commission 48, and the other numbers there. So pretty good trade. Even we had a couple little stops, but overall we made our goal. So let's look at the second trade, which wasn't a good one. So this trade here got stopped out pretty quickly. We waited till after 10 after our first trade because there was some news that came out, and apparently the market hadn't absorbed the news yet. And it went to go long, got stopped out. Went to go long again, got stopped out. And so we hit our loss pretty quickly, $760 loss. So that pretty much wipes out our first trade. First trade we made 761. Next one we made 764. So you got to analyze, what went wrong. It's not the software, it's the market. And have a bounce back play. Overall, looking at the chart here, the market did start to trend down. If I would have just waited another minute and started it, I would have caught this downtrend here and more than likely hit the goal, because this is when the downtrend started, and it was falling off the cliff look right here. So sometimes it happens, and you gotta accept the loss, bounce back, and go on to the next trade. You don't rip your keyboard out or throw something at your monitor or yell at your pet. Just gotta accept losses do happen. So let's look at the next trade. Well, I can't find a screenshot of our rebound trade here, but here it is on Twitter. Basically what happened is we were going for $800 goal, so our bounce back play, we lowered our goal here to $600, 640, and our loss to 500, because we don't want to suffer another $700-800 loss. I think we did have our loss a little too high. Should have been around 5. So in the market, you got to make adjustments as you go on the fly, like quarterback makes in the game. The second half they changed things up. So market was kind of trending up, and it peaked here, and then the bottom fell out, and we catch a nice short. And we step back. You always step back away from the computer, your trading desk, took a 10-15 minute break, let the market get weaker or stronger, and adjusted our settings. We're still trading 3 contracts. We're not like some of the other bots out there. When you have a losing trade, they're going to trade 10 contracts to win it back in one trade. That is pretty stupid if you ask me. because it can go bad really soon. And then what's it going to do? Oh, you have two losers in a row, and then the third trade, it's going to trade 20 contracts trying to get it back? No, something's wrong with your bot. That's the problem. So we keep it simple. Trade the same amount of contracts. No doubling down. We're not in Vegas. No doubling down. Just let the software run, and we hit our goal. 627. Nice profit. And on to the next trade. So here's our fourth trade of the day. I found the chart. And we're trading the NQ again here. Same goal, 640. And pretty much the same play as the last one. We waited till after 10:30, started the algo bot here. Trend was down, caught the downtrend, didn't take this long, caught the downtrend, boom, goal hit. Pass Park Place, collect $200 or pass go, whatever it is in that boardwalk game, and on to the next trade. So now we're going into the next trade. I think was right after 11. So we had two nice bounce back plays, so we're up over $1,200 for the day, and we're going to up our goal to 800 in the next trade because we're going into the power hour. So let's take a look at that trade. But let's cover this crude oil trade first. Inventory numbers come out at 10:30, so we wait for the news to settle down, start the auto trader after 11, and it catches the trend reversal to the upside on 4 contracts, and we hit our profit target on the way up. And our stop loss, look, right at the top, we got it dialed in so good it caught, what, 95% of that trend on the way up on the runner. I don't see any other bot doing that. Then we get short, and we had a $1,000 goal, but I'll take 833. And that's our trade of the day on crude oil. And there's the strategy performance, 833.84, commission 36, and the other numbers there, 8 trades, 4 long trades, 4 short trades, which really it didn't make 4 trades. It's 8 trades, it only made 2, but it counts the amount of contracts. So 4 contracts here is 4, 4 contracts down is 8, so that's why it says 8 trades, but it really should just say 2. So nice profit on that one, and there's the rest of the numbers. Crude oil. And I forgot to show the performance for the NQ trade of the 645. So there it is. Nice trade, bouncing back, and we got one more NQ trade, I think. Let's look at that. And this is our NQ trade. We upped our goal, still trading 3 contracts to 840. Keep our loss at 6. And the market's uptrending now, so the auto trader only took longs. So our first long goes up nicely here, and then our trail stop gets whacked and stopped out. Then we catch the second trend up, and our trail stop, first 2 contracts are hit, and our runner gets hit on a pullback. It goes higher here, small pullback, and a bounce off the VWAP line. It gets long again, and boom, goal hit, 803.28. And we decided to call it a day because we made our profit goal, and the volatility was just a little strong, and we'll take our gains and call it a day. And here is the strategy performance for that trade. 803, commission 36, the rest of the numbers. So a great day of trading, riding the trend. The trend is your friend. Now when you look at this chart, there's a lot of information going on it that most of you don't probably understand. But if you understand it, you have no concerns or worries. As I said in yesterday's video, the trading is all about reading the market, reading the price action. And reading the price action right here, this is a very powerful move. And up we went. And goal hit. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We had 5 trades in the NQ, 4 winners, 1 loser. But overall, we bounced back and ended up with over 2,000 profit on the NQ and a nice trade in the CL for $833. And time to take the wife to dinner. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if I haven't said that yet. Follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.